So there was an exciting 6-goal thriller in this week's Monday night fixture in the Jamaica Premier League. Arnett Gardens and Mullines United put on a show for the 6,000 or 7,000 fans in the stands at the Tolis Palace complex and for the tens of thousands watching on television. And look, we've been cussing local football surfaces forever. But kudos to the Arnett Gardens ground staff for preparing and maintaining such a good surface. And you don't know, with a better surface, with true roll and the true bounce, the quality of the football will improve. And as for the quality of the goals scored by Arnett and Mullines, if these very same goals were constructed and scored by Liverpool or Man City or Chelsea or Real Madrid or even worthless Manchester United in a big British stadium, people will be asking, when will Jamaican players score goals like these? And when will local players develop the required technique and blah, blah, blah? That game between Arnett and Mullines ended in a draw. But trust me, the Jamaica Premier League was the winner. Yes. So, good game, Arnett. Good game, Mullines. But good win, JPL. Good win. Yes. Good win. Good win. 3 points. Yes.